If you've stumbled onto figuregalaxy.shop and those massive mega sales made your eyes light up, hold on for a second because what we found might change your mind before you hit that checkout button. Figure Galaxy claims to sell everything from home goods and outdoor gear to entertainment products, kitchen appliances, sports equipment, and hobby kits, all at ridiculously low prices that almost seem too good to be true. And that's exactly why we decided to dig deeper. Right away, a few things stood out. Several reviews floating around the internet were oddly dated before the website even existed, which is a huge red flag because the domain itself was only registered in June 2025, meaning the store is extremely new with no real track record or history to judge. The product photos also didn't match up. They appear to be copied from other legitimate websites, suggesting the store doesn't have its own original images or inventory. Then there's the strange silence behind the brand. No founder information, no team details, no business background, nothing that builds trust or shows who's actually running the store. We also came across complaints from customers saying their orders never arrived, and support either ignored them or sent generic, unhelpful replies. On top of that, some big-ticket items advertised, like certain furniture pieces, aren't actually available in reality, pointing toward misleading or false advertising. Now, this doesn't automatically prove the store is a scam, but it definitely raises enough questions to make you think twice before spending your money. With all these inconsistencies, the site sits in a gray area and not confidently legit, but not provably fake either, just one of those online stores where the risks might outweigh any potential discount. So be careful before you buy.